have already shown you how matchsticks are made by cutting wood. So today, let's show you how the matchbox is made without which matches cannot be lit. So, friends, without any further delay, let's get started. We'll show you how a matchbox is made and also explain what is coated on it that causes the matchstick to ignite as soon as it's rubbed against it. To make a matchbox, first printed paper is taken, which is 20 millimeters thicker than regular paper. The company's name is printed on this paper. All these sheets are fed into this machine, where a chemical is applied to them. One by one, all the sheets are placed inside the machine from one end, and from the other end, an old sheet is placed on top to check whether the printing is being done correctly. Now, you might be wondering what kind of printing is being done. Well, it's the printing of the chemical that makes the matchstick ignite. Let me tell you, the matchstick is coated with potassium chlorate, while the matchbox is coated with a phosphorus-containing substance. It is this substance that helps the matchstick ignite as soon as it is rubbed against the box, creating a spark. Here, the phosphorus-containing substance is being applied, and from the other side, our printed paper is also starting to come out. Now, on this paper, the substance is applied only where required, thanks to the depressions made by the machine you see here. This is the magic of this automatic machine. On one side, the substance keeps being applied, while on the other side, the sheets come out ready. Now, this large fan-shaped machine you see, sheets keep coming onto it one by one, and the machine dries each chemical-coated sheet before sending it forward for cutting. In this cutting machine, the sheets keep rotating, and from the other side, they come out cut. Here, you can see the cutting process happening at high speed. Sheets keep coming in from one side and are cut and ejected from the other. Let me tell you, over 100 sheets are cut here in just 1 minute. Next comes the step of bundling them. Here, our dear sisters are busy making bundles. One by one, all the matchboxes are bundled and prepared. Now comes the step of turning this paper into a box. For this, the paper is fed into the machine. From one side, the paper keeps coming out, and the machine itself folds it and prepares the matchbox. Here, you can see the beautiful matchboxes being formed and collected. Now that the outer box is ready, it's time to make the inner tray where the matchsticks are placed. For this, first, a paper roll is fed into the machine. The machine's job is to shape this paper into trays. From one side, the paper keeps coming in, and from the other side, the machine automatically gives it the shape of a tray. As soon as the trays are ready, the machine ejects them and collects them. Now, both types of boxes, outer and inner, are ready. The final step is inserting the matchsticks into them. For this, the inner trays are placed on one side of the machine, and the match-filled boxes come out from the other side, fully prepared. If you enjoyed watching how matchboxes are made, don't forget to share this video with your friends.